Question number 1. What is the largest organ in the human body? Option A, liver. Option B, skin. Option C, brain. The correct answer is option B, skin. Question number 2. Which part of the body produces insulin? Option A, liver. Option B, pancreas. Option C, kidneys. The correct answer is option B, pancreas. Question number 3. How many bones are in an adult human body? Option A, 206. Option B, 256. Option C, 196. The correct answer is option A, 206. Question number 4. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Option A, stapes. Option B, fibula. Option C, ulna. The correct answer is option A, stapes. Question number 5. What is the main function of red blood cells? Option A, transport oxygen. Option B, fight infections. Option C, clot blood. The correct answer is option A, transport oxygen. Question number 6. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Option A, nucleus. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, ribosome. The correct answer is option B, mitochondria. Question number 7. How many chambers does the human heart have? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. The correct answer is option C, 4. Question number 8. What is the strongest muscle in the human body based on its weight? Option A, biceps. Option B, tongue. Option C, heart. The correct answer is option B, tongue. Question number 9. Which part of the body controls balance? Option A, cerebellum. Option B, medulla. Option C, hypothalamus. The correct answer is option A, cerebellum. Question number 10. What part of the brain regulates body temperature? Option A, thalamus. Option B, hypothalamus. Option C, cerebrum. The correct answer is option B, hypothalamus. Question number 11. What is the medical term for the voice box? Option A, trachea. Option B, larynx. Option C, pharynx. The correct answer is option B, larynx. Question number 12. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? Option A, AB. Option B, O. Option C, A. The correct answer is option B, O. Question number 13. What is the primary function of the kidneys? Option A, filter blood. Option B, digest food. Option C, produce hormones. The correct answer is option A, filter blood. Question number 14. What is the longest bone in the human body? Option A, humerus. Option B, femur. Option C, tibia. The correct answer is option B, femur. Question number 15. What is the main component of human nails? Option A, keratin. Option B, calcium. Option C, collagen. The correct answer is option A, keratin. Question number 16. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering? Option A, retina. Option B, cornea. Option C, iris. The correct answer is option C, iris. Question number 17. What percentage of the human body is water? Option A, 60%. Option B, 40%. Option C, 80%. The correct answer is option A, 60%. Question number 18. What type of joint is the knee? Option A, hinge. Option B, ball and socket. Option C, pivot. The correct answer is option A, hinge. Question number 19. What is the largest artery in the body? Option A, aorta. Option B, pulmonary artery. Option C, femoral artery. The correct option is option A, aorta. Question number 20. How many teeth does an adult human usually have? Option A, 28. Option B, 32. Option C, 36. The correct option is option B, 32. Question number 21. What organ is responsible for detoxifying the blood? Option A, liver. Option B, kidneys. Option C, pancreas. The correct option is option A, liver. Question number 22. What is the main function of white blood cells? Option A, carry oxygen. Option B, clot blood. Option C, fight infections. The correct option is option C, fight infections. Question number 23. How long does it take for food to pass through the digestive system? Option A, 24 to 72 hours. Option B, 6 to 8 hours. Option C, 12 to 24 hours. The correct option is option A, 24 to 72 hours. Question number 24. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? Option A, vitamin D. Option B, vitamin C. Option C, vitamin A. The correct option is option A, vitamin D. Question number 25. What is the fluid that lubricates joints? Option A, bile. Option B, synovial fluid. Option C, plasma. The correct option is option B, synovial fluid. Question number 26. Which gas do we inhale the most? Option A, oxygen. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, carbon dioxide. The correct option is option B, nitrogen. Question number 27. What organ does the diaphragm help? Option A, liver. Option B, lungs. Option C, stomach. The correct option is option B, lungs. Question number 28. What is the function of platelets? Option A, transport oxygen. Option B, clot blood. Option C, absorb nutrients. The correct option is option B, clot blood. Question number 29. What is the primary function of the large intestine? Option A, absorb nutrients. Option B, remove waste. Option C, break down proteins. The correct option is option B, remove waste. In question number 30, what is the main function of the cerebrum? Option A, digestion. Option B, muscle control. Option C, thinking and memory. The correct option is option C, thinking and memory. Question number 31. Which organ stores bile? Option A, pancreas. Option B, liver. Option C, gallbladder. The correct option is option C, gallbladder. Question number 32. How many lobes does the human brain have? Option A, 4. Option B, 6. Option C, 3. The correct option is option A, 4. Question number 33. What is the function of the spleen? Option A, blood filtration. Option B, producing bile. Option C, regulating sugar levels. The correct option is option A, blood filtration. Question number 34. What part of the brain is responsible for emotions? Option A, hippocampus. Option B, amygdala. Option C, cerebrum. The correct option is option B, amygdala. Question number 35. What part of the ear is responsible for balance? Option A, cochlea. Option B, semicircular canals. Option C, eardrum. The correct option is option B, semicircular canals. Question number 36. What is the largest vein in the body? Option A, jugular vein. Option B, inferior vena cava. Option C, aorta. The correct option is option B, inferior vena cava. Question number 37. How many ribs does an adult human have? Option A, 24. Option B, 20. Option C, 18. The correct option is option A, 24. Question number 38. Which muscle helps you breathe? Option A, diaphragm. Option B, pectorals. Option C, deltoid. The correct option is option A, diaphragm. Question number 39. What is the function of the pituitary gland? Option A, produce hormones. Option B, digest food. Option C, regulate heartbeat. The correct option is option A, produce hormones. Question number 40. What are the smallest blood vessels called? Option A, veins. Option B, capillaries. Option C, arteries. The correct option is option B, capillaries. Question number 41. What is the main function of the lymphatic system? Option A, produce red blood cells. Option B, regulate heartbeat. Option C, defend against infections. The correct option is option C, defend against infections. Question number 42. What is the medical term for the windpipe? Option A, esophagus. Option B, larynx. Option C, trachea. The correct option is option C, trachea. Question number 43. Which part of the brain controls involuntary actions? Option A, brainstem. Option B, cerebrum. Option C, cerebellum. The correct option is option A, brainstem. Question number 44. What gives skin and hair its color? Option A, hemoglobin. Option B, melanin. Option C, collagen. correct option is option B, melanin. Now, question number 45. Which organ produces bile? Option A, liver. Option B, stomach. Option C, pancreas. The correct option is option A, liver. Is question number 46. What part of the human body never stops growing? Option A, ears and nose. Option B, hair. Option C, bones. The correct option is option A, ears and nose. Question number 47. How many taste buds does the human tongue have? Option A, about 10,000. Option B, about 1,000. Option C, about 100,000. The correct option is option A, about 10,000. Question number 48. What is the main function of the cornea? Option A, focus light. Option B, detect color. Option C, maintain eye shape. The correct option is option A, focus light. Question number 49. What is the primary function of hemoglobin? Option A, carry oxygen. Option B, produce blood cells. Option C, help with digestion. The correct option is option A, carry oxygen. Question number 50. How many pairs of chromosomes do humans have? Option A, 23. Option B, 22. Option C, 24. The correct option is option A, 23.